Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp microphone not working. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store. Once you open Play Store, you simply need to search for WhatsApp. Click on that. Click on WhatsApp Messenger. And here you need to click on this update button and you need to update your WhatsApp. So once you done that, your issue will be resolved. But let's suppose you are still facing an issue. You simply need to go back and you need to open settings of your smartphones. So once you are in settings, you simply need to scroll down and you simply need to click on this app management. Once you are here, you simply need to click on app list and you simply need to search for WhatsApp. So let me search. Okay, and here you need to click on WhatsApp. Once you are here, you simply need to click on storage and cache. Once you are here, so the first step you need to clear cache and after that you need to clear storage and then you need to go back and you need to log in into your WhatsApp and after that your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.